ORICO 4TB SATA SSD review. Massive speed and storage upgrade you didn't know you needed. Ever feel stuck with a sluggish computer that drags your workflow into a black hole? You know the feeling, waiting forever for files to load, apps freezing, and that soul-crushing lag that kills your focus. Old HDDs holding you hostage, wasting your time, and draining your motivation. It's like your system's running on dial-up in a fiber-optic world. If you've ever wanted to break free from the frustration of slow storage, you're not alone. Everyone's been there, stuck and overwhelmed. Now, imagine crushing deadlines looming, stress piling up, and burnout sneaking closer just because your PC can't keep up. Games freeze mid-battle, video editing drags on forever, and every second wasted is a lost opportunity or missed deadline. The slow boot times and data bottlenecks aren't just annoying. They're sabotaging your productivity and sanity. It's a silent killer of ambition, dragging your creativity into quicksand. Here's where the ORICO 4TB SATA SSD changes the game. This beast offers up to 500 megabytes per second read speed, speeding up boot times, app launches, and file transfers like lightning. The huge 4 terabytes capacity means you can stash entire game libraries, massive video projects, and endless media without sweating space. Built with advanced 3D and NAND flash, it's shockproof, vibration-resistant, and energy-efficient, so your laptop or desktop stays cool and quiet. Compatible with most systems, this SATA 3 drive includes a mounting kit for smooth installation, making it the perfect mix of speed, storage, and durability all in one sleek package. Users and pros alike rave about how this ORICO SSD transforms performance. Gamers praise the near-instant loading and lag-free play. Content creators applaud smooth editing without hiccups. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it ultra-versatile for any setup. The shock-resistant design means no worries on the go, while the quiet operation keeps your workspace peaceful. Experts highlight the 3D and NAND's reliability and consistent speed under heavy loads. This SSD keeps your workflow uninterrupted, letting you dive into projects without frustration. Want to see why it's quickly becoming a top pick? Tap in and get ready for a serious upgrade in speed, storage, and overall system responsiveness. Limited stock alert. Don't wait for your system to crash on you again. Secure your ORICO 4TB SATA SSD today and join thousands who've already leveled up their storage game. Act now, because speed and space this good won't hang around forever. Seize this chance and give your PC the boost it deserves. Your future self will thank you.